What up, y'all? And thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, I done seen something on TikTok again, and you know I had to buy it. First of all, I'm confused. My entire life, I have been using Flexi rods that look just like this. The normal Flexi rods that we normally see, right? Y'all, tell me why I done purchased something that I seen on TikTok. These are called the Flex Grip Rollers. Oh, we gonna get into this. So there's a grip on this side where you are actually able to connect it to the bottom part, and apparently it's supposed to be able to hold the curl in place a little bit better because these ones don't have a grip. So this is what we're actually going to be testing out today, and I'm going to get more into this as we go into the video. So get ready, y'all, because we about to test some new tools out. So here is the video that I originally saw on TikTok, and then I was like so impressed. I'm like, wait a minute. And so many people in the comments asked, what are these, where can you get them from, yada yada yada. So I actually could not find them on Amazon like I wanted to, so I had to go straight to the Annie website, and that's where I got them from, and I'll definitely have them linked below. So these are the two that I purchased right here, y'all, but I believe these were the ones that she used in the video. I got 5 of these packets and only 1 of these because I'm gonna use these in the front right here. I know a lot of people do struggle doing their Flexi rod sets, so I do believe that this might help. We're going to test it out and see today. So let me go ahead and take down my hair, y'all, and we're going to get this video popping, honey. So this is how I have my hair. This is a microfiber towel from Bomba Curls. I'm probably going to talk about this in every video. I'm so here for the black girl luxury, okay? Satin material on the outside, microfibric material on the inside. So it's really cute, really classy, luxury to me. And now we got this plastic bag situation. All right, so here is the hair. Smells so good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and break this down into sections, and then I will let you guys know all the tools that we're using to complete this hairstyle. All right, so I have my back section right here, and I'm actually going to farther break this down. All right, and then we have this section right here. Okay, y'all, so before I go any farther, because you know we about to hop right into this hairstyle, I'm so anxious to see if this stuff works, but let me tell you everything that I'm using today, and that's my curl mix brush. I actually really like this brush as well. Of course, you're gonna need the Flex Grip Rollers, like I said. So I ordered 5 packs of the orange one and only 1 pack of the red. I should have ordered 2 packs of the red. So we're gonna use the smaller ones up in the front a little bit more, but majority of my head's gonna be covered in the orange ones. And again, I'll have these linked below so you guys can go check them out because they're not on Amazon. You gotta go right to the Annie website. Moving on, I am also gonna be using the Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar, and this is their jojoba seed curl enhancer. So we're gonna put this all over the section. And this is a new product that I am trying out. Then I'm going to go in with the Spiked Honey Mousse, the 4-in-1 styler from Camille Rose. So that's everything that I got on deck. I like to record and demonstrate better in the front of my head where you guys can actually see. So I'm going to knock out the back section, then I'll be right back so we can get started. Hey y'all, so I'm back and here is the back section for me. These little Flex Grip Rollers, I am really liking them. They're very easy to install, and I like how flat I'm laying them on the rod as well. So I'm going to teach y'all how to do it. So I'm going to take down this front section right here. So I kind of just been putting that on the section before I start to separate. So I'm gonna put this all over the section. Cool, so now my hair is nice and moisturized. Now I'm gonna take it and just break off a little section so we can start to ravel. Alright, so I think that's a good section to work with. I'm gonna pin everything else up and out the way. And now what I'm gonna do, since I have my section broken off, I'm going in with the Spiked Honey Mousse by Camille Rose. Camille Rose should get you right, girl. So go ahead and put that all in your section and then distribute evenly by detangling with your detangling brush. And since I'm at the front also, I'm going to open the red one so I can put it right next to my ear. So first, here is how it looks again. This is called the Flex Grip Roller. And again, it's different from a regular Flexi rod because it has this little piece right here that you're able to put in here. And this does not have that. So there's a difference, eh? Yeah? However, the regular flexi rods are longer. I was not able to find longer ones for the flex grip rollers, but let's just go ahead and keep going. So I'm gonna break this down into 2 sections. In the back section right there, we're gonna do the orange roller. I'm gonna detangle one more time. But I'm just going to make sure this is nice and flat, y'all. Nice and flat and detangled. Taking my roller flat side, and then I'm going to wrap my ends around it first. And then I'm going to wrap over my ends to secure. And then I'm going to start to ravel up. You see how flat it is? Very nice and flat. That's how I want it. All I'm going to do is just take the 2 pieces and connect them. And so far, I have not had any problems with the other ones popping out like I thought I would. I know sometimes when I use loop rods, I do have that problem where they'll come loose or pop out. I have not had any problems so far. So let's keep on rolling. All right, so now here is the red one. I'm add a little bit more mousse to that section. Dry it up on me a little bit. And we're going to detangle. And again, I'm using the red one around the perimeter of my head just because my hair is a little bit more thinner. We're going to make sure everything is nice and flat. Take the rod, wrap it around the hair. And now wrapping over it. And then I'm going to go ahead and start to wrap up. See how flat that is? Oh my God, these are going to be so cute. All right, y'all. So I rolled literally until I could not roll anymore. And then I'm just going to take the 2 ends and hook them together. Just like that. This is amazing. I am so happy that I was able to find these rollers on TikTok. On TikTok, I found them. So let's go ahead and keep going. You guys follow along until you get it down. All right, let's go. Alright, y'all, so we are on our last and final side. Yay! And honestly, this has not taken long at all. I could probably knock this out in 30 minutes if I wasn't recording it and stopping and all this other stuff. But this is a quick hairstyle, y'all, and I am enjoying it so much so far. So these rollers are working. I have 2 packs left and then also a couple of the red as well. So let's knock this out really quickly. Again, I'm just going in with the jojoba seed curl enhancer. And then I just like to put that all over this section first. Okay. All over this section. It's already nice and detangled. Alright, so now that it's all moisturized, what I'm going to go ahead and do is just break off a piece down here. Okay. Alright, so here's my section right here. The very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put that spiked mousse up in there. This is how the product looks. If you guys have never seen it before. I like this mousse. Alright, and go ahead and just put that all over your section. Now I'm going to go ahead and detangle. We got to open up another pack. So I'm going to just break this down into 2 sections. Pop this one up and out the way. And now we're just focused on this back section right here. I do want to detangle one more time. So my ends are on there. I'm wrapping over my ends. Now we're just going to start to wrap up. Let me see how flat it is laying down. Do y'all see that? It is laying so flat. Let me make sure I'm doing it right. Hold on. And that's what's going to create a really pretty curl the flatter you can get it. I mean, if it's bulky, it's just going to take a little bit longer to dry. But this is going to give you like those Shirley Temple curls. Cool. Alright, so here's the red part. A little bit more mousse. And this is going to be the red flex grip roller. Wrapping over the ends. And then I'm wrapping up. My little baby ends. Hey y'all, alright, so we are finally finished. It did take about maybe 40 minutes or so to install this whole hairstyle. I'm just really happy, y'all. I think this is going to be a very good way to use flexi rods, or in this case flex grip rollers, instead of the traditional flexi rods that we're used to. If you struggle with flexi rods, go out and try these. I'll have them linked below, but it's a really good alternative. I don't know, I want to see how the curl comes out before I make my final decision if I like these more or if I like regular flexi rods. I have left 1 full pack, 1 roller, and about 3 of the red ones, and that's it. That's all I have left. Everything else is used up. I am going to allow this to dry. I'm probably going to sit under a hooded blow dryer and then go ahead and go to sleep through the night. I am going to put on a bonnet, and then when I wake up in the morning, I'll test them to see if they're dry. If they're not, I'll sit back under the dryer, and then I'll come on here for the final reveal. All right, guys, if you are learning something, if you like these little flex grip rollers, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. I teach all things natural hair, and we are flexi rod popping over here. All right, y'all, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, y'all, good afternoon. It has been about 20, I don't know how long it's been. It hasn't been a full day yet, but it's been close to it. Once I was done on here, I did go to bed. I didn't even sit under the dryer because it was kind of late. And then this morning, I sat under the dryer for a hooded blow dryer for 2 hours, roughly. And I felt my hair, it does feel dry, so we're actually going to go ahead and take these down. I'm so nervous, guys. You guys are probably wondering how I slept. I actually slept fine. You can see how flat they are. Again, they're really like loop rods. They're really comfortable to sleep on. I guess maybe because I'm getting used to sleeping with rods, it doesn't really bother me. These were a lot more comfortable to sleep in than regular flexi rods. So these are definitely the way to go. Again, beginner friendly or advanced, I think you guys should use these instead of flexi rods, but wait until we take them out and see the final results. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this out. I'm just going to go ahead and grab it like that, and then we're going to loop it down. So there's a little gap there, and then I can start to unravel. Just like that, y'all. Oh, it's nice and soft. Okay. Feels dry. Cool. And then once we separate them, they'll look better. So again, take that off like that. I'm going to go ahead and loop it down a little bit and then start to unravel. Oh, do you guys see how pretty that is? All right, so here's the next one. Just unhook it. And the hook made it just so much more easier to manage. Seriously, guys. Just like that. Keep unraveling till it all comes out. Oh my god, they're so pretty. It's exciting. Should all be happy. Alright, taking out a little mini guy. Oh, so they're kind of all over the place, but it's okay because they're curls and they're supposed to be like that. Alright, so this side is just about taken down. I'm so excited to unravel them and see how they come out, but I'll be right back. I'm going to take down the other side really quickly, and then we're going to start to unravel. So I'm back, and both sides are finally taken out. Let's go ahead and keep moving, but look. They were about 95% dry. I may have found 1 or 2 that wasn't fully dry, but other than that, y'all, we're good to go. So we're just gonna put a little bit of this on our hand, and then I'm gonna put this all over my hair and on my hands, because we're about to go in and start detangling. Now not detangling, Lord Jesus. We're about to go in and start to unravel and fluff. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take all of the little rods, little curls, and we're going to put them in a ponytail on top of my head so we can start in the back. Alright, so we're going to start right here in the back section. I do have some oil on my hands, so it'll be a little bit easier when we are trying to fluff. So there's no like tugging or flyaways. Everything's going to be nice, shiny, and flat if you put some oil on your hands. So what I'm going to do is just start to kind of break apart the curl, and I'm also going to run my hands through it so it's kind of flat. See how flat that is? And you see where it naturally starts to want to separate? That's where I'm going to start to pull. See that? Naturally wants to separate right there. I'm going to just make sure it looks good. And then again, it naturally wants to separate right there. Pull at the curl just to make sure it's uniform, how it's supposed to look. And then sometimes there's not really going to be much of a gap. Sometimes I create my own. It does cause a little bit more tugging, but because we have that oil, we can always just wrap it around our finger, and there's how it looks. And I like these because you can literally separate for days. 4 days. So again, I'm just going to kind of feel where it naturally wants to separate and tug apart. Alright, y'all, so far so good. These curls are looking really cute. And because we have the ponytail in our head, when we're ready, we can just start to take down more. So I'm going to take down the next layer of curls that need to kind of come out. Okay, so is this like my new favorite hairstyle? What? No fluffing involved. Yeah, so all I did was put a little bit of oil on it. Y'all saw how I separated it apart. I thought I was gonna have to use a pick to kind of fluff it out, but I'm not. Like, this is good. Like, a head full of hair, y'all. I think we're just gonna let the curls naturally do their thing. My final review on the Flex Grip Rollers. Go get them. Go get them. These are so cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then I ordered like 6 packs. You probably only need like 5. And I still have 1 unopened. If you guys love this hairstyle, if you were really happy watching the Flex Grip Rollers in my hair, or maybe you learned a thing or two about how to do rod sets, then go ahead and subscribe and give this video a good thumbs up. I teach all things natural hair, and I try my best to stick to heatless, low manipulation styles for those who are beginners or maybe advanced. I have tips and tricks for everybody wherever you may be at your journey. So guys, this about it. Me and my curls about to have a good day. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna get dressed and go somewhere, honey. I look too cute to be in the house. Let me stop. But guys, that's all I have for today. Make sure you stick around to see the next video and check out some of my other hair videos on my page. Thank you again so much for sticking in there and watching my cute and curly set. But guys, that's all for right now. I will see you guys again in the next one. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.